Okay, now we are going to show you how to open the key compartment. The key compartment functions off of Bluetooth, so you do not need Wi-Fi, you don't need data. Just make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone before you get to your destination. So what you want to do is you want to find your SentriKey app. Okay, and once that is open, you want to hit the function button there, the enter button, which wakes the box up. It's asking for my PIN, so I will put in my PIN number, open lockbox. Okay, and you want to wait till you hear that motor stop. And this is where you would retrieve your key. This is also where you will change your battery, and we'll show you how to do that in just a little bit. But then you want to shut that key compartment and then unlock your door and show your property. Now let's try another basic function, which is releasing the shackle. So to release the shackle, you want to open the app again. And then right on the home page, it says Release Shackle. This is a new feature that they just updated on their website and their app. So you hit Release Shackle, and it's prompting you to hit the Enter button. Okay. And then you want to put your PIN number or your Face ID. Now it's asking you to hold on to the bottom of the box. You don't want to hold your lockbox like this because the shackle will detach from the box. So you want to hold on to the bottom of the box. So you select OK. Wait for that motor to stop and pull the top of the shackle out. Now this is also another feature that they've added. Do you want to assign this to a property? You could select yes and assign that to a property while you're there, or you could select leave unassigned and go back to your office and assign it then. It's just really your preference. If you do select assign to property, it will search the nearby properties and it should select the property that you're standing at. If that's not the case, then you just simply type in the address and it will find it, and then you select OK, put this on the doorknob, and you've assigned a lockbox to a property. So thank you for tuning in.